Welcome to Phil's Cinema Cave. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Idiot Films' release of the Urban Legends trilogy on Blu-ray. Same kind of setup as the I Know What You Did Last Summer trilogy release. So we'll get all three Urban Legend films. So let's get right into it and get the plastic wrap off. Just have to bite it. Quite hard to get the plastic wrap off sometimes. Let's get this bad boy opened. Come on, get off. There we go. We'll give you a look at the special features. Hard box. And we also have a J card on this, on the hard box. As you can see there, I'll take it off here and give you a look at the back of the box. There's the back there. It's pretty nice artwork with the killer on the front. Really nice box. So yes, this is Urban Legend, 1998. Really enjoy this film. Really good, really good. Like in the vein of Scream, you know, I Know What You Did Last Summer, late 90s slasher movies. This is a really good one, directed by Jamie Blanks, and there's an 8-part documentary on this, which is like over 2 hours long, which is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to watching it. There's Robert Englund, Freddy Krueger. I can't remember who he plays. I think he plays like a professor in the film. So there's all the extras. Let's open it up. There's your disc. Pretty cool. Oh, it's disc 2 actually. There's disc 1, and get some artwork there. You can see it. The killer. It's pretty cool. And we also get art cards. Let's see if I can get that off. Give you a look at them. I don't want to break the seal. I can't get that off, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 art cards. I don't really want to break the seal on them, so that's Tara Reid. So yeah, that's Urban Legend. Set that on one side, and the sequel, Urban Legends Final Cut. We've got an audio commentary by the Hysteria Continues in this one. Now, I've seen Urban Legends Final Cut, but I can't remember what exactly happens in it or what it's about. See, there's Jennifer Morrison. There's your disc, and we have got the poster. Let's give you a look at this. And get it open. So we'll have the newly commissioned artwork poster, and then we'll also have, which is pretty awesome, the original poster, theatrical poster for Urban Legend, which has all the characters: Alicia Witt, Joshua Jackson, Tara Reid, Michael Rosenbaum, Rebecca Gayheart, and Jared Leto. What You Don't Believe Can Kill You. Really, really awesome poster, and the newly commissioned artwork as well, which is pretty cool. It's the poster. And lastly, we'll have Urban Legends Bloody Mary, which I haven't seen before, but I am looking forward to checking it out. We've got Kate Mara in this one. I've heard mixed reviews about Urban Legends Bloody Mary. A lot of people say it's awful, and some people actually recommend it, saying it's actually pretty decent for the third entry in the trilogy. And in this one, we get the disc and some artwork. We also get a booklet with a lot of info about the films. There's Rebecca Gayheart, Tara Reid. Let's have a quick flick through this. Michael Rosenbaum's really good. And the first film is kind of like the comic relief character. There's Alicia Witt in a really, really good scene in the film. There's the killer. There's Rebecca Gayheart, and is it Loretta Devine or whatever you call her? Michael Rosenbaum again. Urban Legends Final Cut. The characters, there's Eva Mendes. Jennifer Morrison. Rebecca Gayheart. On chapter 3, which is Bloody Mary, which I haven't seen. Some stills from there's Kate Mara. So yeah, that's your booklet. So you get your booklet, you get a poster, art cards, and you get all 3 films on Blu-ray with a lot of special features. So Urban Legend Final Cut, Urban Legends Bloody Mary, and awesome box set. Idiot Films knocking it out of the park once again. So yeah, guys, that was an unboxing of Idiot Films' release of Urban Legend Trilogy on Blu-ray. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with more unboxings and hopefully more reviews on the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also comment below what's your favorite Urban Legends movie, and if you've got this box set and what you think about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.